Hi guys, do you want to manage and tailor your Facebook privacy settings and ensure you have control over who can see your post and how your profile is discovered? Ensure you watch this video to the end as I walk you through on how to do this. Launch the Facebook app on your device. Then you tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to open the menu options. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now you tap on Settings. Here you can manage different aspects of your Facebook account. Scroll down and locate Audience and Visibility section. Now, to adjust privacy settings, you tap on How people find and contact you. You can tap on the options beside each suggestions here to select who can see your friend request, who can see your friend list, who can look you up using your email address or with your phone numbers. You can also on or off the search engine outside of Facebook link to your profile. Now, you go back and tap on Posts to adjust who can see your future posts and limit who can see your past posts. You can also explore other privacy settings like your stories, pages, followers or public content, profile and tagging, and so on, as displayed on the screen. The changes will be made automatically once you've adjusted them. Now, your Facebook privacy settings have been completed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more video tips. See you in the next video.